Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my top 5, bottom 5 Temu products. So basically all of this is beauty products, makeup, cream products, setting sprays, foundations, concealers. I'm going to be talking about the products that I love from Temu and then the products that I don't love from Temu. So if you guys want to see what those products are, just keep on watching. Also, if you are new to my channel, I have a playlist which is always linked down below. All Temu videos. We have haul videos. We have full faces of Temu, literally like a lot of full faces of Temu. And then we also have my ranking videos. The products that really have stood out are going to be my favorites, and the ones that haven't, girl, we're going to talk about that today. So let's get into it. Let's start off with the negative first, and then we're going to do positives at the end. Kind of want to already start off with eyeshadow. Is that bad? If you guys were on my channel when I tried this out, girl, okay, so when I saw this on the website, let me tell you what it is. The Kayla palette. So this is a lime crime dupe, looks like so. When I saw this on the website, I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this one because it just looks amazing. The hair on her, you know, like everything looks really cute. However, I didn't know it was gonna be like super cheap packaging, and I'm just like not into that. The actual like shadows are not that amazing as well. So yeah, this is just an overall kind of fail for me. I really love the cover. It's really cute, you know, whatever, but it's just like a styrofoam kind of vibe. It's just not cute. It feels really cheapy. Again, the actual shadows weren't that great. I did create a look using this palette. As I said, I literally used all this makeup on my channel already. So again, the playlist is going to be linked down below if you want to see. But yeah, I don't know what it is. It's just like not one that I reach for. I don't love the packaging. I don't love the experience using it. So that's why it ranked, you know, at my bottom 5, because I just don't love it. So let's talk about this one because it is like a newer product to my collection. This is their Natural Haze She Loves palette. So this is from the brand She Loves, and it's a concealer palette. It literally gave me Huda Beauty vibes. I know they have like palettes that look like this, but this is a concealer palette. I don't know why I thought it was going to be like cream product palette. So I thought this was going to be like a good bronzer for me, a cream bronzer, and then we have like some concealers that I can use on the under eyes. This did help my concealer malfunction in my get ready with me video, but I'm just like not into this, and I know myself, I'm not gonna reach for it at all. So far since I purchased it, only reached for it for that full face. Literally haven't touched it since. I don't know what it is. I can't even use this as a bronzer for me because it is so gray and light. It just is not cute. So I'm kind of regretting purchasing this, and I kind of want to tell you, like, if you don't need it, girl, don't pick it up. Yes, the packaging is cute, you know, whatever, but the actual product, like, if you don't use these, don't pick it up, girl, because it's just not worth it. And again, like, for me, this did not work out for me. So if it was a little deeper and had a little more punch to it, I could see myself using it as a cream bronzer, reaching in here, using other shades to lighten. But this is a concealer palette, so I'm sure there's a reason why this is so light, but I don't know. I just kind of regret it. It's just not for me. So I'm kind of sad that I wasted my money on this, to be honest. Same thing goes for this. This is also from She Loves, which is interesting. But this is their putty blush. So if you guys saw my try on video, this literally didn't show up on my skin. So that was a little annoying because I'm paying for a blush, but literally didn't show up on my skin. So this is really cute because it looks like a little egg, right? And it literally came with its own little sponge and everything, and I thought that was so cute. And so sponge does have like a little cutout. It's really cute. So you just like screw it back on like that. Bottom part is the putty blush. Already it's looking weird. Like, I don't know if it has like pearls, maybe like, I don't know, like it just, the product itself doesn't look that appealing. So like when it goes on the skin, it doesn't show up. Like when you swatch it, you can see the color, right? But like trying to get that to translate on the face is just like not happening. It's like a balm like kind of product, but again, it just like disappears. Let me show you. Okay, so there's a shade, right? It's really pretty, but literally like once it's like blended, there's like nothing there, girl. So I don't know what I feel about this. I'm sure there's people that love this out there that are gonna love it. So if you're into that no blush look, I guess you're gonna love this, girl. But I don't know, it's just like I want something to show up. Like I want something with pigment to pack a punch, girl. I love my blush, you guys know me. So yeah, this one just disappointed me. that's enough about that. So I kind of wanted to mention foundations because their foundation range, they do lean on the lighter side. So just keep that in mind if you didn't know. Girl, so this was one of the first products that I purchased from Temu. This is their La Mi La light concealer. It even says light concealer on it. And this is a foundation. It's just like way too light for me. I don't even remember what color I got, but I'm sure this was like the deepest one that they had for this product. So basically I picked it up because it looked like a Maybelline dupe or alleged dupe, but you know, it's nothing special. I can't use it. I might have to like declutter it soon because it's just sitting there. This one here, not that great. It's just very light coverage. This is a Maybelline True Love. Never noticed it says that. Peach Perfect BB Cream Liquid Foundation. So you guys know me, I also mentioned in my full face, I loved the Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation. Loved it. I think they discontinued it. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, I want to try it. Let's give it a try. Let's see how it is. It's just way too lightweight for me. Doesn't give me any coverage at all. Obviously, it's a BB cream. So when I use this, I do have to mix it in with something. So I don't know if this is just way too light of a product for me. I'm sure there's going to be a time in my life where I'm like, oh my God, this is amazing. Love it. But right now, I'm really into my like full coverage era. So you know, I'm kind of staying away from this. But I'm just saying, if you are the same way as me, you like coverage, you don't want to be mixing too many things together, maybe stay away from this. And then this one as well. It's just like not, they're just not great. And lastly, from my negative side, we have their setting sprays. To be honest, I haven't really been impressed by their setting spray range. So the ones that I've picked up so far are this one here, which is a KVD alleged dupe. So this is a TLM Locket setting spray. And then we also have the, oh, they're both from the same brand. I just noticed. TLM Prep and Prime Fix Plus setting spray. So this is also a primer spray supposedly. So I don't know, there's something, well, now that I notice it's the same brand, the actual like spray itself is just very aggressive, and it's also, they both have like a cologne smell, but it's not like pleasant. It's just a little too strong for me. So that's why I don't love these, to be honest. They're just kind of there, but they don't like call out to me at all. So I never really reach for them on my own unless I'm doing a full face of Temu. I just go ahead and pick one, but it's just like yeah, I don't know, I'm just not loving the setting spray. So beware of these two. All right, now we can get into my favorite products, my top 5 from Temu. So first off, for my top 5, we have their eyeshadow palette. This is a Muge Lean palette, a alleged ColourPop dupe. Really cute. Use this in my video. Loved it. I actually really love the shades and how they built up. I love the look that I created in that video as well. Everything about this is amazing. One of the shades did come broken, which is a little sad, but all these shades just built up really nicely, and I just find myself reaching for this one way more than the other palette that I talked about. So that's why I wanted to mention it here. Let me know if you want to see a like ranking my Temu palettes video. I think that would be fun. But yeah, this one's really good. So I'd say stay clear of all the other products that I mentioned earlier. Girl, this one's really good if you've been eyeing it. Let's talk about their lip balm. So this is the Skin Ever Lip Volumizer. You guys have seen this in so many videos, girl. This is so cute. Love the packaging, but the actual formula is really nice and hydrating. I love reaching for this. Also, the actual like doe foot applicator is really cute. It's like slanted. It's so cute and girly, and also it doesn't like sting. It says lip volumizer, but I don't feel any type of stinging or anything on the lips. So this is just really cute. Just a cute little product to mention. All right, let's tackle the blushes, girl. They have so many blushes on their website. Actually, I didn't even talk about liquid blushes, but today I only have powder blushes. So these are a couple of my favorites I wanted to mention for you guys today because I feel like their blush formula is really good. So a couple of my favorite blushes on the site are the Nozo blush. This is an alleged NARS dupe. And what shade is this? This one here is an 04. Comes with a mirror. I love the quality of the actual packaging. I do want to pick up another color, but this one here is a nice like mauve kind of blush. Really nice. It looks light in the pan, but once you throw it on, it does show up on the skin. So this is one that I've been loving. Also, they do have powder blush. It's like a loose powder blush, which is this one here from AGAG in the shade 02. You guys have seen this in action as well. Such a beautiful blush. It's almost like neon orangey vibes on the skin. It's so stunning for summer, girl. This is gonna be so cute. And then we have these. Actually, I have 2 of these. These are CDE blushes. So this one here is an 01, and these are like shimmery kind of vibes as well. Love the packaging. Also comes with a nice mirror, and I love the imprint of these blushes, girl. These are so good. So cute, so pigmented as well. So yeah, I have this one, the pinky one, as well as the orange one. Amazing. All right, next we have a primer. So this I literally been using so much. I think this was also part of my first Temu purchase ever. This is the MD Major Digit Caviar Primer. So this is really hydrating on the skin, which is why I love using it before I go in with like a pore minimizing one in the center of the face, or like more mattifying one, because I do have oily skin. I get oily in my T-zone area, so I go ahead, I use this all over the face, and then take something else in the center. That's where I get the most oily. So yeah, I just been loving it. I love the pump, I love the color, it's really cute, and it's just really nice and hydrating, and I love that you can see your progress as you use it. So really nice. I love the size as well. It's just adorable. Another product that's like the same size, I'm gonna go into foundations last. So we have a couple of foundations that I say, if you're on the site, girl, run out and grab these. My first love from the website has to be this one here. This is a Putty Air Full Coverage Skin Long Wear Matte Finish Foundation. So this one is so good, girl. You guys have seen this in so many other videos. This one here is in 2N. It matches me really well. Love it. Love the coverage. It just is such a good foundation. So I love this one. I also find myself reaching for it a lot. Next one I'd say is this one here. Now the color is a little off, it's a little light. The actual coverage and longevity of this product is really good. So this is the GEVT foundation, and this is their natural color foundation. Really nice. Also comes with a pump. It's a really cute product. And lastly, I'd say this is like the one that matches me the best out of the three, and out of all the foundations that I've purchased on Temu, I think this is the one that matches me the best. This is from Pop Feel. This is a Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation, and surprisingly this has become a favorite even though I have oily skin, but I find this gives me a really nice like natural glow to my skin that is just beautiful. I love it. I love how it wears, and also I love that it's the same packaging as the primer. They're literally like the same size and everything, but I really love the color. This one I use P2023, and it's just really nice. Love the coverage of this product as well. It's a nice medium to full coverage foundation. I just love it. It's so good, and I find myself reaching for it all the time. So that was the last product. I literally spoke so much, my throat is starting to hurt. But that was the last product. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. I really want to get into like ranking now. I don't know why. So like ranking my foundations from Temu, ranking my eyeshadows. Girl, would you guys watch that? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite product from Temu so I can try it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.